Attractive birds. There are numerous bird species around the world. That are known for their attractive and striking appearances. Here are some examples of attractive birds. Peacock, Pavo cristatus. Known for its vibrant iridescent tail feathers that fan out into a beautiful display. Scarlet Macaw, Pharomachrus, with its bright red, blue, and yellow plumage. The Scarlet Macaw is a stunning parrot species. Resplendent Quetzal, Pharomachrus mocinno, found in Central America. The Quetzal is known for its iridescent green feathers and long tail. Golden Pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus. This pheasant species has a mix of red, orange, yellow, and gold feathers, making it a visually striking bird. Gouldian Finch, Erythrura gouldiae. A small Australian finch known for its colourful plumage. Including shades of red, green, yellow, and blue. Lilac-breasted roller, Carassius caudatus. Native to Africa, this bird has a mix of vibrant colors, including lilac, blue, green, and orange. Atlantic puffin, Fratercula arctica. With its distinctive beak and vibrant orange legs. Puffins are charming seabirds found in the North Atlantic. Bee-eaters, various bee-eater species. Such as the European bee-eater and the rainbow bee-eater. Are known for their stunning combination of colors, including greens, blues, and yellows. Victoria crowned pigeon, Gora victoria. This large pigeon from New Guinea has elegant blue end. White feathers and a striking crown of feathers on its head. Birds of paradise. There are numerous species of birds of paradise. With incredibly elaborate and colorful plumage. Such as the greater bird of paradise and the Wilson's bird of paradise. Indigo bunting, Passerina cyanea. A small North American songbird with striking blue plumage. Sunbirds. These small, colorful birds found in Africa, Asia, and Australia are known for their iridescent feathers, such as the purple-throated sunbird. These birds showcase the incredible diversity of colors and patterns that can be found in the avian world. Please subscribe our channel.